Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can see unsent messages on Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chats section, people, and right here you're going to find your stories. So right here in the chat section, you're going to find all of your conversations. And here in the top, you're going to find your notes and your friends' notes. So right now, for example, if you click on a conversation, they're going to be here inside of the conversation. For example, I'm going to send a message right here. For example, I'm going to send hello like this. And then if you click on it, right here, you're going to find these options, reply, copy, pin, and here you're going to find more. If you click on more, here you're going to find forward, edit, bump, and remove. If you click on remove, right here, you're going to find two options, unsend and remove for you. So basically, guys, if you click on unsend, the message will be removed for you and for the person you sent the message to. If you click on remove for you, the message will be deleted only for you, but it will still appear on your friend's conversation. So basically, guys, if you click on unsend, there is no way to see your unsent message because it's removed 100%. But if you just removed the message for you, you're going to be able to see your message. If you ask the person to send you like a screenshot or something to see what message you sent. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.